In a prior segment, we saw how an attributed title block could be linked to the properties within your sheet set via use of what AutoCAD calls a field entity. The field is simply the communicative entity that allows this property to end up in this attribute. But there's no reason that fields should only be used within attributes. They can be used within MText objects, and we see a couple examples of this here on this section of our title block. The difference is we've just defined these as pieces of text. They don't have to be attributed. So in order to go ahead and edit this, we'll just go ahead and click on the MText object, double click, which will bring us into the MText Editor. We now see that since this is highlighted, that's a dead giveaway that it's a field. So let's double click on this and see where that field is coming from. Well, it's coming out of the sheet set field category, and it's getting the current sheet title, which is a specific property over here. And that's being ported into this piece of MText using uppercase, so it'll be capitalized no matter what. You can actually see down here what the field expression is. If you're a customizer, you might like to know how to peel those values directly out without having to go through the field mechanics here. And we can see here that this test sheet for title block is actually this value, so there's no accident that that's synchronized. Let's look at another case up above. So what I'll do is just go ahead and escape out of here, and I'll not save my changes because I didn't really change anything. Let's look at a little more complicated example up here where we have several pieces of MText. Again, they're fields. So where is the Allen Construction Limited coming from? Well, let's double click on that field and see. In this case, it's being pulled from the global sheet set. Now, these are the sheet set properties that are common to all drawings within the set. And there are actually several of those properties. We looked at that in a prior example as well. So of all those global properties that are available for every sheet within the set, we want to go ahead and pull the client name out. Now, if we wanted to apply uppercase filtering here, we could. I'll just go ahead and escape out of here. And what we've now seen is that it's very easy to take any text type object and simply embed fields within it. If you wanted to create a brand new object or access a field, you can simply type in the word field within AutoCAD, and that would allow you to go ahead and place it anywhere on the drawing like so. Now, if you wanted to protect these values, you could go ahead and place them on a locked layer or embed them within your title block. Either way, the field mechanics are going to provide the conduit between the properties here in the sheet set and the text that you want to get on the face of your drawing. So it's very simple. You've now got two ways to integrate your title blocks: attributed title blocks, as you probably have done in the past, and freeform text using fields. Good luck.